Here's a modest but noticeable green day for one of the more interesting pure-play voice AI names in June 2026. SoundHound AI just climbed over 2.4% today, gaining 15 cents. The stock is trading around $6.36. After showing strength on new partnerships and AI voice momentum, this kind of move keeps the story alive for investors betting on conversational AI. Welcome back to the channel everyone. It's June 2026 and today we're doing a full detailed deep dive on SoundHound AI Inc, ticker SOUN. Right now the stock is trading around $6.36 after rising roughly 2.42% today. That's about 15 cents higher in one session. A nice little green candle in a volatile AI name. Four major threads we are unpacking in this longer video. The growing adoption of their voice AI technology in cars, restaurants and smart devices where natural conversation matters. Their push into generative AI and how it's expanding what their platform can do beyond simple commands. The challenges of scaling as a small AI company with cash burn and the need for continued investment. And one 200 IQ angle on how SoundHound is building a voice-first AI platform that could become the invisible interface for the next generation of smart everything. If you like these honest, no-fluff breakdowns on small-cap AI and voice tech stocks, smash the like button right now, subscribe and drop your honest thoughts in the comments. Did you buy this move in SOUN or are you waiting for more clarity? Bull or bear at these levels? Let me know below. Let's get into it. Stay with me through the entire video because toward the end I'm going to share a perspective on SoundHound's strategy that most retail investors aren't fully connecting. One that explains why voice AI could become far more important than people realize. First, let's understand what SoundHound AI actually does in mid-2026. This is a company specializing in voice AI and conversational intelligence. Their technology powers natural language understanding in cars, like in-vehicle assistance, restaurants, drive-through ordering, smart speakers and other devices. They are moving beyond basic voice commands into more advanced generative AI capabilities that can handle complex conversations and actions. Today's small gain likely reflects continued interest in AI voice applications or some positive sector sentiment, with no massive headline driving it. Volume was decent for the name. Now here's a real 200 IQ read most people are missing. While everyone talks about chatbots and text-based AI, voice remains the most natural way humans interact. SoundHound is focused on making voice AI truly conversational, understanding context, handling interruptions, and taking real actions. In cars, restaurants, and smart homes, this creates a much better user experience than typing or tapping. If they execute, they could become the voice layer for a huge number of everyday interactions. The 2026 picture shows a company in growth mode. Revenue continues to ramp as they land new automotive and commercial customers, but the company remains pre-profit with typical cash burn for a growth stage AI name. Bulls see multi-year tailwinds from the expansion of voice interfaces. Bears highlight execution risks, competition from bigger tech players, and the need for continued funding. Let's talk numbers simply and honestly. Market cap sits in the low billions at current prices. Still a small cap name with big aspirations. Revenue has been growing solidly as they expand partnerships, though losses continue as they invest in technology and sales. The balance sheet has been supported by raises when needed. Key things to watch are new customer wins, especially automotive, revenue trends, gross margin improvement, and cash position. In voice AI, design wins and deployment milestones often matter more than quarterly earnings alone. Here's something a lot of retail traders underestimate with a stock like SOUN. The shareholder base includes AI enthusiasts, institutions betting on voice interfaces, and momentum players who jump on partnership news. This creates real volatility. Positive automotive or restaurant deal announcements can drive sharp rallies, while quiet periods or broader AI rotation lead to pullbacks. Volume spikes on meaningful catalysts, showing genuine interest. The chart has been volatile this year with multiple legs up on AI news followed by consolidations. Today's small gain keeps it near recent levels. Support sits around $6. Resistance is higher at recent swing highs near $7 to $8. In a name like this, technicals take a backseat to partnership announcements, product updates, and overall AI sentiment. Next big catalysts include further customer wins and quarterly financial results. Now the deeper insight I promised you, and this is the reframe that matters. While many view SoundHound as just another small AI company, Very few are properly framing their potential as the voice interface layer for the smart everything era. As cars, homes, restaurants, and devices become more intelligent, the ability to talk naturally and get things done will be the preferred way people interact. SoundHound's focus on conversational AI, understanding intent, handling follow-ups, and integrating with real-world actions positions them to become an invisible but essential part of that future. The central debate right now is classic for small AI stocks. Is today's 2.42% gain a buying opportunity with real voice AI tailwinds, or too risky given the microcap execution and funding challenges? Bull case: they continue landing major automotive and commercial partnerships, show accelerating revenue, successfully scale the technology, and the stock re-rates higher as investors price in their role in the future of conversational AI. Bear case: partnership traction slows, cash needs force more dilution, technical challenges delay rollout, or broader AI hype cools. The small size means any miss can hurt badly. The deepest risks include intense competition from bigger tech players, ongoing capital requirements and dilution, long sales cycles with automakers and enterprises, and overall dependence on AI adoption continuing strongly. But the irony here is strong. A relatively small company is pushing the boundaries of natural voice interaction at exactly the time when devices and services are becoming smart enough to make voice the most intuitive interface. Bull scenario: strong partnership announcements, positive revenue trends, successful platform adoption, and continued AI tailwinds drive multiple legs higher over the coming months. Bear scenario: delays, disappointing customer traction, or broader sector weakness cause the stock to test new lows. Short term, expect continued volatility around partnership news, product updates, and overall AI sentiment. Long term, SoundHound AI Inc.'s success depends on executing their voice AI platform while scaling efficiently in a competitive market. This remains a high risk, high reward bet on the future of conversational interfaces. This is not financial advice, just my detailed analysis and open discussion. Always do your own thorough research and never risk money you can't afford to lose, especially with volatile small cap AI stocks that can swing dramatically on news and execution updates. So tell me honestly in the comments, after today's 2.42% gain, are you bullish on SoundHound AI and their voice AI technology, or concerned about the risks and competition? Drop your bull or bear thoughts below. If you want more AI and voice tech stock breakdowns, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Partnership and product news can move this name fast, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.